Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, me make it real quick. Me just make me intro before me leave because me gonna give you one prank today. So me gonna start it off like it's a normal vlog, and then me gonna tell Joseph to shut up aggressively and see how he would react. Just a little warm up prank, you know, nothing too crazy yet. Just a little something to get back into the groove. Anyways, I'm gonna finish, get ready, and then we're gonna leave out and kick it off. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So babe, I want to do a little video. Okay. I don't know if you ever see the challenge where you and a person communicate in an alphabetical order.
What that mean?
So like if me say one sentence starting with A sentence, you must say one sentence starting with B. So we're gonna just do it, go straight on A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You can't go in though.
I just not feel himself in there, I take selfie.
I feel myself, but just I look on my face, I observe, spot them and I bump them and what. You see me bust this area, so? See?
I first I make me bust bump for you. You're independent.
Stop begging.
I'm independent. Alright guys, so we're gonna go and play the game here while we're waiting with food. We get some roast yam, roast potato, roast sweet potato, and saltfish at the famous Melrose. I want to say that Melrose Hill. Melrose Park. Melrose. Anyways, come baby, I'll start off. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Go straight down.
All goes well today, I'll be sleeping early tonight.
Bright. Bright.
Bright in our
yeah,
sentence.
bright.
Bright in our sentence.
No, yeah,
No, do that again. Bright.
We're Jamaican.
Which English paper could I write bright pan?
Because.
I don't want to hear that.
Because.
I don't want to hear that.
This is not thief, guys.
That's a thief.
So
thank you, sir.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
What's the price for this? What's the price?
1500.
15? Babe, give me some change. You want water? You have water?
Water.
See it here.
Yeah, the lady coming, eh?
Alright, chop.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Guys, if you don't see how me turn my neck, because me sleep bad and it creak. I'm showing you the food. Guys, just not thief, because I don't want, as a Jamaican, somebody asks you something, them say, because...
May I play one game, baby? You say bright?
Ooh, wait, can I see it? So beautiful and it smells so good.
Hello.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so you say if all goes well, but sentence don't start with all. Which sentence start with all?
Alright.
Alright, you see? Babe, alright.
No, well, I know. The fuck?
Babe, but you could have continued, babe. Come say because what? Because what? Because...
What's your sentence?
Because what, babe? Alright, babe, please don't say that.
Carelessness is a result of a lot of foolishness put together.
Don't say that.
Each time you play the games or you play them, it makes me don't want to play anymore.
For real? For real?
Good example of what I'm saying right now.
Have your own way.
It's all good.
Joke. A little joke.
A little joke?
Joke.
Not that.
Just because you're smart, you're guani. Serious now.
kinda admire say I try, but you're not gonna win still.
Love covers a multitude of sin.
I don't feel like it all cover for your one though.
Not gonna lie, that food smells so good.
Of course.
Come after O.
We have to say.
A B C D E F G H I J K
Whoa,
L,
big good 27-year-old man.
P. Please don't bother with it.
Question. Where bag attitude?
Babe, why you so good at this?
That does not start with R.
Right now, I feel so discouraged from playing this game with you.
So stop.
Talk too much.
Understandable.
Babe, I don't play with you. Shut up.
Where you started from? Where you started from?
Shut up!
You can't take losses, man.
Shut up!
Where you tell me shut up? You can't take losses, man.
You hear me? Tell you shut up.
You talk with
You deaf?
Good girl, stop. You don't look good. Obviously, you're trying.
Babe, shut up. I'm serious. The last time I tell
Then
you.
shut me up, man.
You don't want to. You don't want me to. You give me some now.
I'm going to drive now, say, it even matter. Who you are, babe?
Babe, shut up now.
Yo! Okay, but I'm supposed to speak to you like how you speak to me. I need to start follow what you say exactly to the T.
Babe, give me food.
Man, move the man.
No.
No.
So you're going to vex me to
I don't need to be mad.
So why you not give me
That's the
food?
principle. You funny?
Shut up.
I will.
Well, name your food then, name me.
I will. I just said I will. Like, what stop me? What stop me?
Anyways, guys, that was the alphabet game. I'm not good at it. Babe, nobody me go
No,
edit
I
out
don't
that
care zero.
Babe, me go edit.
I'm not busy. I don't care zero.
You can shut up so I can do my video.
I care zero.
Okay. Alright,
I
guys.
don't business.
So, guys.
No, sir. It not passes, sir.
What is wrong with you, Jason?
What wrong with you?
This is something wrong with me?
No, there's something wrong with me.
May I order one more?
Go on, order one more. Me no business. You want to be petty, we can't do that all day. You remember we born the
You
same
not
month?
drive off?
You remember we born the same month?
Bro, you can't shut up.
You know.
Baby, I got drain out the gravy by yourself.
Shut up, who cares?
Alright guys, so that was the alphabet game. Jason win. He enjoyed playing this
I
game.
don't busy that the video they not do today. I tell me, I'm at a fact, I'm going to see it better ring.
Please. Babe, please don't make it seatbelt make no noise, please. Babe, please. Alright, baby. Babe, y'all listen to me? Me sorry.
Oh, yeah,
Yes, you want apology? Me sorry.
I was a drunk, I deal with someone who you.
You know, said this truck they go over, you
So
remember?
next one I drive swing over here. After you're driving I slowly into fast thing going down. We are talking about but just one or two.
Because what am I going up on the road for?
Jesus, I'm going to turn over. I must see truck race.
Guys, if you don't ever see this, fun and joke aside, me did a prank you.
You can't prank nobody.
No, me did a prank you, so me gotta tell her to shut up. Maybe I was pranking you. Guys, when you just a shake up.
That's what we see make we have.
Hey, me tell her say last night, Jason did I watch one movie and I said, I'm gonna take you into my movie with him and I end up fall. Matter of fact, Jason fell asleep first, cause me catch him.
When?
Baby,
Yeah,
never...
watch.
Okay. So Jason drop asleep and then me just sleep. And when I wake up, me did just sit weird and I sat here. And then this morning, my neck start hurt me.
No, so to me, I'm going to go in a bed.
Give me food, me hungry.
Eat.
So, them say me to make somebody with left hand crick me neck. Is that a joke? Somebody with left hand can crick your neck and make an ear.
What?
Somebody with left hand can crick your neck and make your neck feel better. You ever heard that before, baby? I've never heard it before either.
I will suggest it to you have a left hand. Use the left hand.
I don't even know. Have you ever heard that before? Let me know. So this is a roast yam, roast sweet potato, and fry up saltfish. Most of them did have ackee, but this will work. So then put half an hour because me didn't want the yam and Jason didn't want the sweet potato. And it tastes really good. It tastes fresh and nice. I want to go mosquito in there. But I brought me there, pranky, babe. I know I'm not going to be disrespectful to you like that, babe. I did kind of feel like you're not going to fall for it, you know. Which, you fall for it? You did feel like I'm serious? Or do you feel disrespected?
Yeah, but if you disrespected, of course.
I'm sorry.
Alright, why would I try to run go to them? You're only eye, man.
But don't even roll my eye. You're hard for me. No, you're hard for me. Neck really hurt. And then I feel like Jason make it worse. Cause this man he didn't keep on telling me to straighten my neck and in our dream babe I saw road you look like over this one. Anyways guys, I got enough. Neck really pain me.
Not just them checking up on the road to them, I don't know why.
The truck them I go super fast, guys. I don't know why. Not even the car them now go so fast. Normally the car them you see I burn up the toll. But the truck them I mean my mad this so we see one door there. One piece of madness.
Imagine see them on the day they come pressure spot. It's on pressure there.
No, I feel sorry.
The part where the man run off at Illinois.
Oh.
So I think that they got the car but that's glad they didn't pass it.
Guys, I got enough. If anything, maybe put a back up or just give another video you like how it is. I say I can make somebody grip my neck or even rub it with something. You know, so neck rub them used to have one little concussion or concoction. I say the word. You know, one bustle where them put like Guinean weed and some holy something with rum and you use it sap. When we could have go get that, you have to get somebody host where
So that used to work?
up in the age, yeah man. I mean, used to see people use it on them knee and it work. I didn't hear somebody with their country. They would have it. It hurt me really bad. Anyways, guys, that was just a little warm-up prank. In the comments, let me know if you want some more pranks. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trying the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys. Bye.